All right, so Stephanie has 3 3/4 bags of soil to put in her garden. Each bag of soil will cover 125.3 square feet. How many square feet will Stephanie be able to cover if she uses all of the bags of soil? So for step one, we've got to change 3 3/4 into a decimal. So we've got 3, and it's the 3/4 part that we don't know what it is, right? We're going to change that fraction into decimal. So you have options. You can do in the calculator 3 divided by 4 equals, that's a weird equal sign, sorry about that. Or you could do 3 divided by 4. Now 4 doesn't go into 3 directly, so we're going to add our decimal and a couple decimal or place values after. All right, so 4 doesn't go into 3, but it does go into 30. 7 times minus 28. That's an 8. And then 30 minus 28 is 2. And then we're going to bring down our 0. And that's 20, which 4 goes into 25 times. So we've got 0.75. So 3.75. Awesome. Okay, so now our second step here is multiply 125.3 times 3.75. Now I'm going to ignore my decimals. If you have a calculator, you should probably be done with the problem right now. So go ahead and do that if you need to. But if you don't have a calculator, you're stuck with me for a bit longer. All right, so we're going to ignore the decimals for now. We know that we can add them in our answer after. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. And then 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we're going to add a place value. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 is 37. 7 times 2 is 14, plus our 3 is 17. And then 7 times 1 plus 1 is 8. All right, one more row. We've got 2 placeholders here. Okay. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. I know I'm getting scribbly here. 3 times 2 is 6, plus our 1 is 7. And 3 times 3 is 3. And now we're going to add all of these guys up. So we bring down our 5. And 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 9 plus 7 plus 2 is 18. And then 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 5 is 19. And then 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8 is 16. And 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, whew. All right, now where do we put our decimals, right? That's the question. So we've got 1 place value, 2 place values, 3 place values after our decimal points, right? So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put it there. All right, and you're good. 469.875 square feet. Cool.